Welcome to the Pokemon Squad. My name's John, and we're shining the light of Christ one ride at a time. And guys, it's time to fix one of the things I hate the most about my F-150. Love my F-150, but the thing I hate the most is the seats. They are terrible, guys. And I want you to just take a look at these before I bring our sponsor in for this one. Now, I know that's pretty bad. It might look like yours. I don't know. But my seats have not held up to all the rigmarole of having kids and pets and everything else. But our sponsor, Covers for Cars, woo, has fixed us up with some brand new leather-ish seat covers. I'm so excited. This will be the biggest thing you can do to transform the interior of your car. These seat covers, these are custom for the Ford F150, and I can't wait to show them off. And if you want some, check out the link in the description to pick up your own for your car. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing, see what we're looking at, because I haven't looked at them yet. I'm excited about it though, and I'll show you how to get them on your vehicle as well. So this is what was inside of that box. Special cushion. Does that say special cushion? I don't know, but it's pretty cool. Got our own little special carrying case. I'm so excited about these seat covers, guys. My seats are so bad. My wife has stitched up that bad spot you saw a few times. It's about to be covered up. Some beautiful leather. Leather-ish. But that's okay. I'm fine with leather-ish. And so this looks like maybe, I don't know. I'm not going to pretend like I know what all this stuff is just yet. But we will get it pulled out and see what we're working with. There'll be tight fits on everything, but that's what we want. We don't want some loosey-goosey seat cover. We want these things looking right. Oh my goodness, check that out, guys. Look at that. Check out the carbon fiber. I guess that's what that is. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh man, that's gonna look good. Woo! I'm so excited about this. Now I keep pulling stuff out, but I'm sure you get the point. Got us a few things here. These will attach to some of the straps. And we'll push them through flat, and then we'll push them sideways. That way, you can't pop loose. Just a simple, easy way to keep all your stuff tight. But guys, I am ready to show you what these are going to look like. So I'm going to get it kind of out, and we'll take a peek and see how good they are. So I've got these laid out. You can tell these are going to be in the front. So the first thing we're going to need to do is take off our headrests. We've got zippers here on the side to give us a little bit more room. On the back, we've got a pocket to put stuff in for the kids to hide snacks to right. The other side, got the back seat here. Man, this is going to look good, guys. First thing to do is take off the headrest. We're just going to push our button, lift it up as high as it will go. Then there's another button on this side that you can also push to get it that rest of the way out. And you may have to move your seat to give you enough room. I just did it with one hand. I know you can do it. You're better than me. Let's start with the bottom on this side. We've got 3 straps. They will poke through the back of the seat, go all the way around. We've got side straps that will go through the side of the seat and will latch to something on the bottom. Here are the 3 other ends of the straps. We'll just run the back straps all the way around and to the front straps, and then we will tuck in the side straps right down in between that plastic piece. Just take your time and you'll take care of it easy enough. Let's go ahead, take the headrest off this side. I did already do the other side for practice, just so I know what to tell you to do on this side. Moving on to the top, we're going to take our 3 straps and we're going to attach these little plastic discs. You'll just put your straps in both sides, and when you install this, you'll just shove it through the bottom of the seat flat. And once it's all the way through, just straighten it out and it won't slide back out. There's our disc. Push it in and straighten it out. Let's go ahead and get our headrest pieces. You can just stretch it and pull it around. You can use your little trim piece. Next, we've got these little metal hanger brackets. There's 3 straps on this back portion. You will attach those. Reach under there and just attach it to something that's on the seat. This is what it'll look like. Now to wrap the headrests, we'll take our Velcro apart here and then just slide it over the top. You may have to wrestle it a little bit, but you do want a good form fit, so that is not a bad thing. We want everything to fit tightly. So looking good, we just shove it back on, and the front seat is done. If you can do that front seat, you can do the back seat because it is pretty much the same. Now I do want to mention these seat covers are actually for the crew cab version, and I have the extended cab. The crew cab version just was not available for my truck, and so the top seats seem to be an exact fit, but the bottom seats do have a little bit of extra material. I was able to wrap it at the bottom and was able to tuck it in, and even though it looks like it's kind of flapping right now, in the end, it did not turn out like that. It turned out very nicely. And so these weren't necessarily intended for my seats, but they did turn out good. And so don't think ill of these seat covers because of that. I'm kind of using these in a vehicle they weren't originally intended for. Here's a better look at what those straps look like. These are the same on the front seats as well, but you can see them really good when they're folded up there. The headrests do come out the exact same in the back, and be careful when you're putting this one on. You want to make sure you slip it in behind the seat belt. If you don't do that, you won't be able to later once you really get this strap down. On the back sides of these, there are strips of Velcro that will attach to the seat. So it's very nice indeed. Let's look at the final product. All right, everybody, that is the install. It's not difficult, but it does take a while. You want to take your time and make sure you get sweat all over the seat. You want to mold these things kind of loosely and tightly, shove them. You got to pull, you got to tug. Nothing hard, but it sure did look good, doesn't it? This thing looks great. That middle seat, though, is still an eyesore. I'm going to have to find something to do to cover that up. But maybe that'll be in a future video, guys. The inside of this truck is completely transformed. Future John jumping in to interrupt. I've had these things about a week and I love them. They are fantastic. They're a little dirty right now, but this is what they're looking like. Got the car seat loaded up. My wife got me this little cool cover from Amazon. It was cheap. Just put it in. It's cold, so it hadn't really formed yet. I think that definitely makes it look a lot better just because I know that middle seat's an eyesore. Plan on still doing something to cover that up. But I love it. I've been showing these off. I mentioned this You know, being for a different vehicle, but it still looks good. I was able to tuck it in. I probably could even do a little bit more to help with that, but I still think it looks really good. All right, I just want to give that week use update, and it's Thanksgiving where I'm at, so happy Thanksgiving before or after. All right, back to John. And guys, you can have some of these too by checking out our sponsor, Covers for Car. They have some outstanding products at a great price. Jump into the description and pick yours up today. And don't forget, Jesus loves you so much he died for you, and all the honor and glory goes to God. Good night to Pools. God bless.